My name's Mary-Claire Maxwell and I am going to talk to you about my experience in Alicante. I have loved every minute of this experience and I'm already thinking about coming back. You learn so much, the school is fantastic and the teachers are very helpful, patient and lovely people. During the class, I came here to practice my Spanish and I feel a lot more confident about speaking Spanish. The classes are really fun and you get the opportunity to meet people from all over the world, and I've just had such a good time here. The other thing is the school organises lots of activities for the students. For example, last weekend I went snorkeling, I visited museums, and I just had such a great time. You've got the beach, you've got the shops, the lessons, and the best thing is you have lots of opportunities to practice your Spanish in the class, at the beach, in restaurants, during the outings, and it's just, I think it's actually one of the best things I've ever had the opportunity to do. So I would definitely recommend this experience, and obviously I decided to stay with a Spanish family, and I think that's a really, really good thing to do also. My family have been so welcoming, lovely, caring, and I call them my Spanish family now. They're almost like a second family to me. So yes, you need to come to Alicante because you'll have the time of your life.